Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today. This is the Splinterlands $10,000 challenge, February 11th, Friday 22. Now, this has nothing to do with Splinterlands. This is just something I'm doing personally. The whole ideal is that I got 1 year to turn my account to a asset value of $10,000. I am starting the second month. I have put in initial amount of money. I'll show you that in a second. But first, I want to keep these videos short because I'm making one every day. I want to try to keep it definitely under 10 and maybe under 8. But I'm going to do the reward, the pack opening first, and then after that, it's repetitive stuff if you've been following this, so you don't have to watch it, or you can, but I just go over the ways to make money. But Splinterlands is a game comparable to Yu-Gi-Oh or Magic the Gathering or Pokemon, but it's its own game. It's all NFTs. All the cards are NFTs, and so let's go ahead and do the rewards. This is once a day. You can do a quest. When you win 5 battles with this quest was the snipe. It gets you to use certain types of cards, which helps, people learn different cards and all that. So let's go in and claim the reward. In these chests, which you get one of, you can get a card, a gold card, a regular card. You can get a potion, which helps you get better cards when you open up a pack, and you can get credits. Those are the 3 things I've gotten so far. There might be more. I don't know. Today I got a card. That is nice. So that adds to my total asset value. Now these cards you can combine. You can burn them. You combine them, you burn them, and you make a more powerful card. So every day, 24/7, these cards are being less and less of because of that. And it's played all over the world. I think Philippines is the #1 country right now. United States is #2, close behind. And you also get these chests at the end of a season, which is every 15 days. And depending on how high up your ranking is, you get 2 for every level you go up. So right now, if it ends today, I'll get 7 chests, which are pretty much the same thing, but you just get a whole bunch of them. Okay, so let's go open up the pack real quick, and then I'll go over the rules for this and over how you can make money with this game. Okay, pay with credit card, or no, pay with credits, which 4,000 credits equals $4. Now, I only do NFTs and crypto where I can use a credit card. I don't like to use exchanges. That's just a personal preference. It's just a lot easier for me. And let's say I don't have enough potions. I don't have any. So I don't get any bonuses for, but it's a lot easier for me. So that's why there's other card games out there, but I just don't use them because you have to use crypto. So you get 5 cards a pack. You're guaranteed a rare. So let's see what the first one is. That's a common. That is an epic. Nice. Okay, there's common, rare, epic, and legendary. And then there's gold. And I got something else. I got a rare. Nice. This is a nice pack already. Okay. And that's a really good card. I use him all the time. We got something nice here. A legendary. Holy shit. Awesome. Great pack. So I got a legendary, an epic, and a rare. And why is that shaking? It shakes when you do that, I guess. I don't know. Do they all shake? No, just that one does. Nice. Okay, good pack. Good pack today. Now let's go look at the rules. Where is it at? Right here. And I also give an overview of the statistics. And again, this has nothing to do with Splinterlands. I'm doing this on my own. Here are my rules. I got 1 year from 2nd of January. Must report all outside investments, which I do down here. Withdrawals will pay down my outside balance. Can use any number of ways to make money on platform to reach the goal. And the total value of all assets can be used to reach that goal. Okay. Now I didn't add the $4 today. So that's going to be $426. So my total investment is $326. Everybody has to spend $10 if you want to open up the platform to the money making side of it. You can join for free and play for free. And they have an affiliate marketing program. I'm an affiliate marketer. So if you join on the link below, I get 5% for the rest of our lives for every spell book you buy, and which you only buy one because it's a one-time entry fee. And then every pack that you get, I get 5%. It's not a lot, but if you get a lot of people to do it, it adds up. I am not a financial advisor. This is entertainment purposes only. Listen to me at your own risk. So I've got invested of my own money, 326 as of this date. And I'm keeping a record of every day what the value is. And I forgot to fill that out, but it's right in the same ballpark, everything except this number right here, which we'll look at it. And in fact, let me pause this, and I'm going to fill that out and be right back. Okay, I'm back. Apologize about that. So as of today, the 11th, if I was to cash out on everything, I would have a profit of $450 because now this value goes up and down because the cards go up and down in price. They're NFTs, and as you burn and combine them, they go up in price. So this number is going to fluctuate, but this is the number I want to get to 10,000, so I can get this to 10,000. And this is the number of cards I own, 185 at the time. You can see how I keep the money I'm reinvesting from the sales of cards and making money on the platform is going to build that asset up larger. The PowerPoints is what they base the SPS drop off of, and that's the Splinterlands shards, and that value is at 3101. But this right here is what you want going up all the time, the 72,030. This shows that you're that because it goes off of strength of card, not price, and it shows that you're building your collection up, which is what's going to drive the value up. So if I would have cash out, like I said, I would walk away 450 profit, and that's after paying myself back for the 326. Not bad for a first month. I'm still learning, and things did collapse after I joined, like everything on the markets did, but the prices are coming up, so that's going to help too. And they just put out a new set, which is the pack I just opened. So the longer those are out, there's going to be less and less of them, and those will go up in value. So I'm feeling really good about reaching my goal at the end of the year. Okay, one of the ways, or two of them, is you can rent your cards out, and you get dark energy crystals, which is an on-site crypto within the site. And then I take my earnings. I also, if I sell a card, I get dark energy crystals. I take the earnings and then I reinvest it. I pick out cards that I think are going to go up in value or that I want to use for my personal collection for battle. And that's a couple ways to make money right there. The affiliate program, which is right here, that's another way to make money. The airdrop every day now for another 150 days, they're going to be dropping for free, depending on what your collection power is, the total down here. And I'm getting about 6 to 7 a day right now. That number is going up every day. So that's more money to add towards your total. I'm also staking it. So I get down here's where you claim it every second or every minute. They update that, and then you can stake the entire amount. And right now I'm earning 32.66% APR. Okay. This is the market right here. And that is a good way to increase the value. If you're any good at buying and selling, remember, you buy low, sell high, same concept you use anywhere. And it's very overwhelming at first. It was for me. But as I've learned the cards and the game and the market, I'm starting to figure out what I think is going to go up higher next. And sometimes you're just lucky. The whole market goes up, and sometimes it goes down. There's nothing you can do about that. But you just want to build your collection. This is Peak Monsters. I haven't really used Monster Market yet or Card Auction Z. I will eventually. And this proves what I've been telling you. This up to date, you see it's a 745, the total value of my thing. So it didn't move in the last couple. Oh, well, yeah, it did 746, but that can go. I've seen it as high as 900 and as low as 600 in a 24-hour period. Here's my total rentals. Everything is rented out. If not, it would be a difference, and that's what I make a day in DC. That increases all the time because I'm adding more cards to my rental side. I've got two sides: cards I'm going to sell and cards I'm going to rent out. Okay, your rate of return almost 40%. Not bad for a rental business. Remember, you still own the cards, and you rent them out for a day, 2 days, 10 days, whatever. But anyway, so Peak Monsters is a good way to keep track of all that. Another way to make money is in the arena, which I have not partaken in yet. I'm still learning, and I'm also going to join a guild. So those are two more ways to make money. So there's about 12 different ways as you go that you can, and your strategy will be different than mine. You might do much better than I do. You might do worse. I don't. It's hard to tell. But remember, now these are NFTs, so this is the circulation number. These are reward cards. That's why that number is so high. But once they give away the last reward card, then that number will do nothing but come down. Okay. And I'm looking at all the cards right now except gold. So let's go down to the very bottom, and I'll see. And this is the people who got here early. It's probably one of the most valuable on the regular cards, but it's also, I want to show you, is this card's all the way down to the only 8. Well, this one's only got 83, but there's 87 of these left, and they're worth, the floor price is 30,000, but there's nobody selling. Okay. So the 87 cards are being held by holders who will not sell. 2 people are selling this one, 3 this one, 3 that one, but you get the ideal. These cards have been in there the longest, so they've been burnt the most, and it's actually an amazing system. Anybody who's played Yu-Gi-Oh, you get all these comments, and you couldn't sell them. It was hard. You trade them. You'd go to other players and you trade them. But with this way, you can combine them, burn them, make more powerful cards and more valuable cards. Let's go look at the gold real quick, and that will be, we'll just do the legendary gold. And there's 90 of those cards, and the most valuable one is $777,000. There's only 39 of them. But anyway, you get the idea. It's really amazing. And that's it. If you got any questions, send me a comment. I'll answer the best that I can. I'm going to be making a video every day for a whole year, if possible, every day. And it's going to show. So it's going to be very transparent if I can make this work. Now, if I only get to 5,000, I'll consider that a success. If I get to 10,000 and I invested 1,000, I'll consider that a success. But my goal is to get 10,000 or more and have paid myself back already out of the platform, and that would be the best scenario. Okay, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.